Hey guys, Danny Dunn here with Leonard Truck and Trailer. Wanted to take a minute and show you one of my favorite floor plans by Merhow Trailers. And this is a 5-horse, 16-foot short wall. We got dual hydraulic jacks on the front, big full-length power awning, 5-horse slant load. This trailer rides on two 9,000-pound torsion rubber ride axles on a 17.5-inch aluminum wheel. Really pretty trailer. 38 foot on the floor, 8 foot wide, 7'8" interior height. Come on in. All right, so now that we're inside this 16-foot short wall, you notice how roomy it is with a 9-foot flush floor slide pushing out the sofa and the 8 cubic foot refrigerator. You notice the depth inside of this 8 cubic foot fridge. Tons of room. Recessed cooktop, double bowl sink, front entertainment center with fireplace below, ducted heat and AC throughout. You walk on back here, you come into the center bath, tons of spacious room, porcelain toilet, radius shower, skylight above the shower, nice big vanity, you can actually get in there. And then you come back here to my favorite part of the trailer. No one understands needing space more than myself. I have 3 little ones. So you have 2 bunks back here with their own closet, storage underneath the bottom bunk as well for their shoes, toys, pocket door into the bathroom, and then another pocket door into the main living quarters. Really great floor plan. Each bunk has its own individual LED light as well, retractable ladder, walk-through door back to the horse compartment. You step back here, you're fully lined and insulated walls and ceiling, padded dividers, removable lower stud divider. All your dividers are spring loaded too. So what that means, when you open them up, they're going to stay back out of your way. RV latch on the escape door, so you can open and close that. Come in this door, take the muddy shoes off the kids, right into the living quarters. Really great floor plan. We do stock this trailer here at Leonard Truck and Trailer. This one is in a 5-horse. We bring them in a 4-horse as well, or if we need to custom order something for you, we can do that as well. Don't hesitate to reach out to me here. My cell's 330-717-6562, or visit our website at leonardtrailers.com. Thanks.